Are car tools from AliExpress any good?
Let's find out.
It's just
No, yeah, it's obviously user error.
Yeah.
What are we gonna do with all
Oh
this?
yeah, I'm excited by that. So we did car parts from Temu,
Which we loved. Shop like a billionaire.
Shop like a billionaire,
50 quid each,
which makes stupid slogan that makes no sense.
I was a millionaire.
Variable results, let's be honest.
Neons,
Yeah.
great success.
What you don't know actually is the neons fell off.
Yeah, immediately afterwards, didn't they?
The front one fell off.
You looked good for one night on the North Circle and they fell off and that
Yeah.
was it. But it was a success for that one night. So
Yeah.
after that exhilarating purchasing session on Temu, you've now gone to AliExpress.
Yeah. This time I bought everything. I think
Yeah.
I spent somewhere between 150 and 200 quid.
That is quite a lot.
No, I don't actually know. So I've spent this much.
And Matt has wasted that same amount.
I've wasted this much. Anyway.
So you're going to show me what you bought?
Show you what I bought.
Do I get to do all the unboxing?
That's pretty obvious because
Yeah, we've played this already.
Yeah.
So for your crappy bonnet the lacquer's come off, this is basically just going to burn the rest of the paint off.
it's probably not going to work,
immediately.
is it? But
You've
I
also
do
got
do those.
There's also a lot of polishing pads. Are you planning on doing the whole
Are you planning on
the
picking
whole
those up?
neighbourhood? I'll keep going. There's loads in there.
Yeah.
Right, we probably won't need all of those, will we?
Yeah.
What else have you got?
You can see what that is.
So what is this? An OBD reader?
OBD reader with a little screen.
Car diagnostic.
Yeah.
How much?
Well, this is interesting because don't ask me why, but I've ended up with two.
Oh.
Well, one of them was £3, one of them was £20, and if you look, they're exactly the same thing.
Pretty much identical. Just
So
different buttons. Yeah.
I don't know why that happened,
Put
but
those on
there
the
we
floor,
go.
Yeah, nice. Next.
Again, it's got a picture on the box, so there you
What
go.
we got?
Battery
Tyre pump?
powered.
Battery
So
powered.
actually quite a handy thing to have in, maybe you've got flat, no, well, it's not
Yeah,
handy.
but you
because
want a
you could have
12 volt one, don't you?
Yeah.
You don't have to charge your
No.
battery.
So actually I don't
Yeah.
know, that's of no use to anyone really at all. But I thought well my thinking was how crap is the battery going to be?
Well, it does say inflatable balls, inflatable boats, water supplies, and all types of tyres.
It's got a picture of a car, but on the front, but no, yeah. I'm pretty
Happy days.
excited about this one here. Have a look at that.
It's a pen.
No. It tells you what it is on it.
You are the kind of man that does get excited about a pen, though, so I would understand.
I get excited about
that's
many
excitement.
things which don't people get
Made in
excited about.
China,
Oh yeah.
manufacturer, Shanghai, Jianyu,
Look, there you go. It says it right on there.
brake liquid tester.
This I think was 93p.
And what do you do with it? You test
You
your brake
put it,
liquid.
yeah, put it in your brake fluid. It tells you
No,
the
no,
health
no,
of it.
brake liquid.
Brake
Not
liquid.
brake fluid, Matt,
brake
come on.
liquid.
Everyone knows it's brake
Yeah,
liquid.
and it will.
It tells you if there's any air in it.
It tells you how healthy it is or something.
Right.
There you go. Okay or no, bad.
And how often do you recommend testing your brake liquid with pens?
Every day.
Great. 93p,
Every few
well
minutes.
spent. You've got loads. Matt, you've basically bought the entire stock of Halfords.
Yeah, about that.
Silicon funnel.
I thought they were going to be bigger than that.
It looks like something, it looks like a shiwi or
That's
something.
what she said. Can we say that? That's not.
Probably
can't say
can,
that
yeah,
anymore.
but...
Yeah, it does look like a bit of a sheepy, doesn't it? It's,
Yeah.
if you're stuck short.
Sheepy.
Sheepy.
Shiwi.
I don't know. Is it
I think
sheepy or
it's
shiwi?
I think you're the only weirdo that says sheepy.
Shiwi.
What does she do? She pee.
Yeah. So
It's
yeah,
from
I was
China,
thinking there'd be
to be
some nice big collapsible funnels, and they
Right,
kind
what
of
we got?
weren't.
Polishing
Just
it,
some wash stuff. That was that was
and
like
some more toothbrushes for you,
they were like a few quid.
Wire
Wire
brushes.
brush set.
and a wheel
Oh,
cleaning
that's
set.
for cleaning your events, I think.
You don't clean your vents with a wire brush.
I
Are you an
don't
animal?
know. No, I don't know what they're from. I've forgotten half of
That's
what
why
I
your
bought.
vents
I'll be
are
honest.
scratched. Right, next.
Very exciting.
Funnel, good, yeah.
Good.
No,
So
that's a Hiwi,
easy
that
peasy.
one.
Hiwi.
What are we gonna do with all
Oh
this?
yeah, no, I'm excited by that. So this is why we can't do an oil change on that
You bought a
because
bong?
no, it's
Hang on.
it's an oil change pump.
Hang on.
So with that electronic pump, we can do an easy peasy oil change on that. So you can do a mess-free oil change
By sucking it out of the...
Sucking it out. You can't do it with this because it doesn't have a dipstick.
Oh, we're not gonna drain it.
No, we're gonna
Suck it out.
suck it out
Until the pump blows up.
until the pump blows up. Yeah.
Yeah, all right.
Um,
Intriguing.
I might have gone a bit overboard. I think no, hang on, we're nearly there. We're nearly done it all. But the end is in sight.
Do not let Matt near AliExpress in the future because...
I've gone rogue. So this was like a little face guard, which I thought would look funny.
It's
But-
what?
Well, it's like a face guard thing.
What do you mean?
Well, no, but this is the problem. So it had
It's
a
a
picture.
bit of plastic.
Yeah, but it had a picture of it, of the full mask, right? So I added it to the basket,
Yeah.
and I've just got that. Because
You've basically got a...
yeah. Because if you click through to the page, it says like 99p. But actually, if you want the full mask and everything, it's £3.
Great.
What I've got is I've got the replacement visor for a mask that I don't
You
have.
don't have.
So that's.
You have bought
It's now
You
the
have
most
bought
useless thing in
some
my
utter
possession.
shit in your time, Matt.
Yeah.
But this honestly
So I think
tastes
already the
biscuit.
consumer. Yeah, and on that front. It had a picture, right? It's a dent puller, but it had a picture again of like a big handheld button.
It's a dent. What the f is that going to pull out? Great.
Well, yeah. That's a good early.
Great. Yeah, those dents really come out well. Hang on, do it properly.
You're doing it properly.
Yeah. Oh, hang on. No.
So what it's done is just damaged the bonnet even more.
Right, in the future, can we make an agreement that you're not buying stuff?
I'm not buying anything off the internet ever again.
Pretty much nothing
Out of
here is
this
useful.
one, I am pleased with this.
Are you okay? Have you got like some sort of purchasing AliExpress problem?
It's like it's an issue. Yeah.
The first
Here we
step
go.
is admitting it's an issue.
Look at that.
What is this now?
Look.
Is it a torch?
It's so powerful.
It's
and
a
smart.
camera.
It's so powerful and smart. Is what it is. Endoscope. So you can. Wait, it might have some.
Please don't tell me you've got to connect it to an app.
I
Have you
think
got to download an app?
You've got to download an app.
The endoscope app.
The
You're
endoscope
going to
app.
spend time on your phone finding the Chinese endoscope app.
I'm disappointed it doesn't say, "Don't put it in yourself."
Right, are we done?
I think finally.
This is supposed to be short, this intro.
This is supposed to be short, yeah.
Because you bought so much shit. Right, so what are we actually going to attempt to do? We're going to try and do an oil change on my car with the oil that's here.
That's not AliExpress oil.
That's normal oil.
It's not an
That's the one
AliExpress.
thing
No
we did
parts.
cheap out
It's
on,
all just tools.
Yeah. And we're going to try and get the oil filter off somehow, seeing as you've got to buy the
Yep.
bit. We can remove the oil with your pump that will
penis
immediately catch fire and set fire to
All
the
that
oil.
pump, yeah.
So that's my car.
Yeah.
And then your car, what are we doing to
Right,
your car?
so I'm going to test out the OBD, I'm going to test out the compressor. I might use my endoscope to have a look at my rust underneath.
Yeah.
Right, should we get on with it?
Yeah. God.
Right.
I think you might have gone over the top. This is the thing you said you were most excited about, wasn't it?
Yeah.
How's your excitement now?
My excitement has waned somewhat.
Because there's no switch. I would have thought there'd be a switch, wouldn't you?
Yeah, you would have thought you just put it in and then it goes. So this was £7.80. Oh no, hang on, including VAT, it's £8.89.
Right, maybe that's the problem here. Right.
Oh! I did something then. Oh!
Yes! Good pump is good. Right, so my good pump's got some tubes on it. It goes this way, so that needs to go in my bucket.
There's your bucket.
We've got to go via the dipstick tube, right? Oh, hang on. There we are.
There we go, it's done something. There we go.
We're in. This is like surgery.
It is.
I'm basically a doctor now.
You've got an endoscope as well. This is all very, Ready to go?
Yeah, ready to write off my engine.
Yep.
You're going to hold that there?
Yeah, go on in.
I'm going to try and connect this up and we'll see what happens. What? Oh, there we are. Hey! Are we in?
Oh. It sounds like it's struggling there, doesn't
Well, it
it?
hasn't made it to the pump yet.
Right. Here we go.
We're making it.
Oh.
What's happened? Oh, it's made it out the other
We
side
have
of the pump.
suction. There we go, look at it. Look at all this oil. So, there's your OBD port. OBD2. Kind of reminds me of like a Game Boy Color or something.
You remember those? I thought they were black and white for you.
Waiting for vehicle to respond.
Is your ignition on? Yeah.
Ignition, yeah.
This is a man who evidently works on cars very
All the
frequently.
time. We'll turn that off before we get Kappa Rock shot. Okay, we go. Oh, read codes. Well, it shouldn't have any.
Well, earlier today, your power steering, your aux belt snapped
a little bit.
and the battery light came on, so it might show something.
Trouble codes. No codes. That's great. Launch. This one says launch. It's very exciting.
That's what you get for an extra £5. Diagnose.
It looks quite similar, if I'm being honest. So yeah, not the same, but it appears to perform exactly the same function.
Great.
Anyway, I think we can say they both work.
If you have no codes whatsoever that you need to clear, and you simply want to plug your Game Boy Color into your car, then a £3 or £8 code reader from AliExpress does the job. Was it 20 quid?
20 quid for it.
Oh, I thought one was 3 and one was 8.
They both do the same thing.
Right, what's next? Do you want any dents you need pulling? Matt, I'm going to attempt your dent puller.
Then.
I'm going to go in dry to start with, all right?
What are you?
Right on the edge.
Has anything happened?
Hang on.
It just
No,
came
yeah,
off.
it's obviously user error.
Yeah. So 25 psi. Let's get it up to. I'm gonna say 32. Let's see. How she do? 789. I should actually say all the prices I've quoted so far plus VAT. So actually this 789, it's 947.
Oh, that VAT. That's make or break, that is, Matt. Yeah. Jeez, that extra £2. It's not the quickest, is it?
No, but you know, like I say,
get you out of a sticky situation.
Yeah. And you can top up your football with it. So
yeah. So while you're waiting for your tyres to pump up, you can have a kickabout by the side of the M25. Yeah, there you are, 30.
So 5 psi. Turn that off.
I mean, it worked.
It worked, and actually it is still showing full battery.
All right, it's just you've got to make sure your pump's charged, which is a bit of a pain in the arse.
It's a bit of a pain in the arse.
But it'll get you out of a situation if it is charged.
Yeah. Oh, should we do the brake thing?
Your brake liquid tester.
Brake liquid tester.
What's it going to show? Nothing. No result on that thing will make me suddenly go and change my brake fluid. If it came up and said your brake fluid is
I mean, I don't know how much I trust it considering it costs
and will immediately blow up your car, I don't think I would still go and change my brake fluid.
Here we go, you ready to be amazed? It's okay.
Because it's less than 1%
of whatever it is.
Water,
hang on.
probably, isn't it? It'll be water.
1% of water, yeah. There we go.
Great. 93p, very well spent. 94. So now I can go another 33 years of my life without ever using one of those again.
But peace of mind. And can you put a price on that? Actually, you can put a price on it. 99p.
99p.
Whatever it was.
Including the VAT.
I think the VAT was more. So there you go. This appears to work.
Despite Matt's best efforts.
Oh, endoscope. I haven't done the endoscope yet. Look, I can see your face. I can go up your nose.
That is 5G.
I can go up your nose.
5G, I mean 4K.
I mean, let's have a look, see what it actually looks like if you can. Well, the light's not good enough, so you can't see anything.
But I don't think that's supposed to be like an underbody camera, is it? You use that if you want to stick it down one of your cylinders or something. If you took your spark plug out and you want to see how much damage has been done when you run your car with no oil in it.
I mean, the footage is not bad. That is, I'll say, if you're using it for that, it's useful. How much do you think this was? I told you earlier, but you've forgotten already?
I've forgotten, yeah.
£2. So actually, I think...
Maybe it's useful if you lose something under your seat, right?
Yeah.
If you use your keys under your seat, you can have a little fish around under there.
For £2, I'm actually quite impressed by that.
What are you going to use it for?
It's so cynical.
Yeah, but what
so
are you
cynical,
going to use it
but it
for?
works.
It's just tat, isn't it? It's tat.
It is tat, but it's tat that works,
You're
right.
the king of tat.
That was not my finest
Hang
hour.
on, actually, before you work on the car, you need to put the safety mask on.
Well, all you've got to do, bit of tape there, bit of tape there.
Actually, a cable tie would work around the back, wouldn't it?
Yeah, it would work fine.
So this is our pièce de résistance. This is the final redeeming hope from our AliExpress.
I don't know what you're talking about, because a lot of it was all right, I think.
Hang on.
What?
So, the bonnet is already ruined on this car.
It's already ruined, so I think we can
The seller said it probably needs a good polish. I think reality is it probably
needs
a repaint.
more than that. I think it's dead.
So
yeah.
You put a bit of cutting compound on.
Yeah.
You put a bit of water on.
Correctly G3, bit of water.
What speed are you going at on your...
I'm trying the bottom first.
All right, and then work way up to fire.
Yeah, let's try.
Get polishing.
Let's try this. Ooh.
You could, I don't know.
Yeah, it needs more than that, I think. Oh, I've got the 3. I mean, it's doing something.
Well, it's actually quite hard to hold it in the same place.
Yeah. Oh, I might whack it up a bit. Go higher than that.
I don't know, but I imagine that's too fast.
I think it looks all right. I don't think it's...
I'll tell you what.
Is that actually an improvement?
That's not a bad job.
Because it was pretty bad before.
Look, that was before, right?
Yeah.
And that's after.
Well, bloody hell. I take it back, Mark, maybe.
You can see it really well from here.
Yeah.
I don't know if you can see it from that angle. If you want your car professionally detailing by Matt Robinson,
just don't.
Contact him on World's Worst Car Detailer. We'll scratch your car for free.
Should we try and come to some sort of meaningful conclusion about everything? I mean, this, I'll use it later. It's a funnel, it's fine.
It does funnel.
Yeah, it's fine.
Fine.
Didn't actually use this.
The penis pump.
But I mean, it's got suction, it's fine, it was cheap. Yeah,
fine.
This, I think it's okay.
It worked to put 4 psi on your tyre then, but would it work when you need it if the battery's fat in it? So, a bit risky.
Bit risky.
Good for Lilos.
Good for Lilos,
maybe not good for your car. This may be your best purchase.
Yeah,
telescopic magnet. Always useful. Good. This is not fine.
Hopeless. This worked alright.
What was that? Oh, that was your brake liquid.
And it was like £1. I don't know. You know, if you want one, it's cheap and it works. Whatever.
Wait, look, this goods pumps for draining my oil for an oil change, slow. Supposed to do 5.5 litres a minute, it basically wouldn't even do 500 mil a minute, and it gave me a very painful back because the terminals were so crap, you had to bend over and hold it on the battery. Otherwise, if you move them, it stopped working.
Well, if you do want to do an oil change like that, you're probably better off one of those ones where it's just a pump, and then the suction does the rest anyway.
Maybe, yeah.
So
Or if you've overfilled it a little bit, maybe it'll work. Just take a little bit out, but for an oil change...
Well, you'd use your penis pump.
Not good. Your penis pump.
I mean, they both work.
They're fine, actually, aren't they?
Agree. I think this is the key thing. Check the prices, shop around, because like I say, they do seem to do the same thing. I haven't delved deep enough to see if there's any differences, but I mean, come on, I mean, £3, 20 quid.
£20.
Buy the
£3
quid
one.
Yeah, fine.
Gosh,
Super
done.
work. Endoscope.
I mean, what are you going to use it for? What are you going to use that for?
I don't know, but if you do want one, it's £2 and it works. It's
But
fine.
you couldn't see much, could you?
No, but then you could probably spend a bit more and get one that's a lot better.
Yeah.
£2.
You don't want to spend more than
Fine.
£2, do you? It's tight ass. Right, and the pièce de résistance, the polisher.
Yeah, I'm still in two minds about that because it does work, but it doesn't. Because you. What's the word?
Oscillate.
Yeah, but does that mean if it's not?
I think when it oscillates, the really expensive ones basically
They don't. Yeah, it's not
they move around.
is it? They move around because I think that's not supposed to. Like a circular pattern isn't always as good for polishing. I think the thing is, if you're really into your detailing, you probably wouldn't just get a £40 one. Would you?
No, but you know, as a starter, it has. If you've got a really crap condition car like Matt's bonnet is, it has made an improvement there.
Yeah.
And we are complete amateurs at using these things. So, 38 quid,
Yeah, it's okay.
and just don't wear black trousers when you do it.
Don't wear black trousers.
Or use
it's like you've had
40-year-old
an
copy
accident.
paste. So there we go. Right, I've got an oil change to do. There you go.
Is that,
Your bonnet.
I think,
Cheers.
a conclusion?
Yeah, I'm out of it.
Yeah, so if you found that useful or just enjoyed watching us using a lot of crap tools and you want to see more stuff like this, make sure you do subscribe to the channel, like the video as well, and yeah, do those things.